Hey, Travis, we're here at Fantasy, so it looks amazing.
Good day, Jettison Tropical. We're here at Fantasy Springs. That's right, we'll be checking out this wonderful, awesome fantasy land called Fantasy Spring. We'll be checking out Elsa's Frozen Castle, Peter Pan Captain Hook ship, and that's right, check out Frozen rides and Rapunzel rides as well.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Spring Hotel and
Magical evening in the garden. Check this out, slow-mo. Come along and let's enjoy this magical evening at Fantasy Springs. Welcome, Jettison Tropical at Tokyo Disney Sea at Fantasy Spring. Once again, welcome to Tokyo. All right, let's go. So you enter at Disney Sea, past the entrance, and continue north to Fantasy Springs.
oh,
Ta-da!
alright. We're here at Fantasy Spring in Japan. Disney Sea, Tokyo, part of the side. So let's come along, chasing Travis and see what we can find and explore. Shall we?
Also in Fantasy Spring is Fantasy Springs Hotel. Very beautiful and very amazing. Come along now. As we came on upon the entrance, now there are some rules and restrictions. So pretty much you do go in and you can come out, but you cannot re-enter. I repeat, you cannot re-enter. So if you do go to Fantasy Spring, please plan ahead. And this is the rules like so. Okay, well, here we go, folks. Come on in.
Yeah, Rapunzel. Wow. That's cool. Yeah.
Check out Rapunzel Tower. Wow, just like it. Welcome to Frozen Kingdom during the daytime. I have some other clips in the evening as well.
Alright, we're Frozen. Winterville?
I feel like in the movies. Just look at that. It's Elsa's castle. Wow.
In there. And you zoom out and everything. And here we are. Alright, Jettison Tropical, we're here at Frozen. Anna and Elsa's journey, so come along and let's go check out this ride. Good day, Jettison Tropical. We're here at Rapunzel, so come along. Wow.
Rapunzel Kingdom.
Rapunzel area.
Next, Peter Pan Lagoon.
Hey, Jettison Tropical, this is Peter Pan Village. Wow. Wow, it's beautiful. Alright, here's Skull Island. Oh, right here, hon. This is a nice picture.
Alright, Jason and Tropical, we're heading to Fantasy Spring Hotel. And
Jason Tropical, here's Fantasy
it's a beautiful
Spring
courtyard.
Hotel. And it's a wonderful garden. Come over here, guys. Oh, wow, look at that. Look, guys. Okay. Hey, let's go over there. Go right there. Oh, okay. Alright, come on. There's steam. Whoa. Quite beautiful. And just look at this. Look at this, Jason Travel Crew. This is a gorgeous hotel. And this.
Activate slow-mo.
Wow, that's
A recreation of Mickey Mouse Wizard Magic.
This is Disney Fantasy. It's remarkable, beautiful. This ambience, that's just amazing. Little Mermaid? Nice. And this is Fantasy Spring Gift Shop. Quite amazing. You want to check this out?
I think that is a yes.
Wow, that is nice.
Alright, Jason Tropical, next up, the evening in Frozen Kingdom.
Odin or
Now get ready for this, for a magical night of your life. I mean, this is magical. It seems like you're in the movies and you're actually there, you know? Wow.
oh, this is next one. Okay.
Now, is this magical or what? Wow. I feel I'm part of the village. Now, believe it or not, that's the line to Frozen. So if you can get in early, get in early.
Okay. It's like Hawaii? It's the Lilo. There's that Peter Pan adventure. We are back again. At this time, the correct time, I believe. Hopefully we can get in there. Alright, let's see where this goes. Oh, we gotta go. That was crazy.
from here, bro.
There we are. We made it. Yeah, we made it. Tokyo celebration. Kamaragatsu gozaimasu. We made it.
Thank you for watching Justin Tropical as we explored and complete Fantasy Spring. Alright, here are some other videos you can check out on the POV rides of those famous such as Frozen and Rapunzel ride on the next video. Alright, checking out. And so long and Godspeed.